The remaining flight time is now less than 1 hour, and we will soon start with our preparation for the approach. The sun is about to rise right now, and enjoy the view. So I inserted the Doppel 1 Golf arrival in Zurich with the Gipol 3-4 transition.
Yep.
I expect radar vectors for the runway 3-4. The ILS is inserted. Okay, the ILS approach starts at Utixo at 6,000 feet. Final approach course is 333.
Yeah.
Non-standard 3.3 degrees glide slope. And the minimum is already inserted with, this is 5,000.
1590.
1590, correct. So in case of a missed approach, we proceed straight ahead, 5.5 miles off the ILS to overfly below 5,000 feet, then turn left course 259er towards Gipol and climb 7,000 feet, maximum speed 185 knots.
Checked.
Eurowings 7 Alpha, report Mach number to Marseille on 128.780.
Punkte schicken wir da vorne.
Edelweiss 901, descend flight level 80.
Descending flight level 80, Edelweiss 901.
80 blue.
Checked.
Ja, Procedure 100 bitte.
Yes, sir.
Edelweiss 901, turn right heading 160.
Right turn heading 160, Edelweiss 901. Okay, we have GPS primary, accuracy high, RATNAV setting as discussed, the right ILS, and 10 minutes to go.
Yes.
Procedure 100 completed.
Merci.
Edelweiss 901, contact final 125.330, audio.
125.330, schönen Tag, Edelweiss 901.
Lief us.
Final guten Tag, Edelweiss 901.
Edelweiss 901 Heavy, Zurich, final guten Morgen. Swiss 296, reduce speed to 180 knots.
Speed 180 knots,
Looks nice.
Very nice view.
243, reduce speed to 180 knots, and right heading 260.
Reducing speed 180 knots, heading 260, Swiss 243.
Edelweiss 901, descend to flight level 70, reduce speed to 180 knots.
Descending flight level 70 and reduce speed to 180, Edelweiss 901.
Flaps 1.
Speed checked. Flaps 1.
70 blue.
Swiss 296,
Checked.
34.
Swiss 296, Roger.
Approaching.
Edelweiss 901, turn left heading 100.
Left turn heading 100, Edelweiss 901.
Swiss 243, turn right heading 300, descend to 5,000 feet, clear Dallas approach runway 34, report.
There's a balloon below us. Hot air balloon.
Swiss 296, reduce speed to 160 knots.
Speed 160 knots, Swiss 296.
Edelweiss 901, turn left heading 065, descend to 6,000 feet, QNH 1020.
Left turn heading 065, descending 6,000 and QNH is 1020, Edelweiss 901.
So, 6,000 blue.
Check.
QNH 1020, 7,900 feet now.
Minus 20.
Swiss 296, after DME 5, no speed restrictions, contact tower 118.1, 10 orbit.
free speed after DME5, 108.1 message on Douglas. 200.
Flaps 2.
Yeah, all speed checked. Flaps 2. Approaching.
Checked. Vertical speed.
Checked.
243, sub 24.
243. Edelweiss 901, turn left, heading 010, intercept localizer, runway 34.
Turning left, heading 010, intercept the localizer, runway 34, Edelweiss 901.
55 kilo, turn left by 10 degrees, vectoring Alice 34, speed 220 knots or less.
Left by 10 degrees, speed 220 knots or less is 55 kilo.
Swiss 243, reduce speed to 160 knots.
243, speed 160.
All speed
55
start.
kilo, descend to 6,000 feet, QNH 1020.
Descend to 6,000 feet, QNH 1020 is 55 kilo.
Edelweiss 901, descend to 5,000 feet, cleared Alice approach from a 34 report established.
Standing 5,000 feet and cleared ILS Wilco, Edelweiss 901.
Edelweiss 901, reduce speed to 160 knots.
Speed 160, Edelweiss 901.
Got 3 dual, India, Zulu, Sierra.
Checked.
Localizer star.
Checked. And the runway inside.
Swiss 243, after DME5, no speed restrictions, contact tower 118 feet.
Checked.
No speed after 5, Swiss 243. No.
Swiss 55 kilo, turn left heading 070.
Left heading 070, Swiss 55 kilo.
Lights off, sir.
901 established ILS 34.
Swiss 901, roger.
FAF check bei Milni.
Genau.
$10.3 Milni. Das ist gut. FAF check completed. The minimum is 1590.
Checked, merci.
Swiss 55 kilo, turn left heading 040.
Left heading 040, Swiss 55 kilo.
Edelweiss 901, after DME5, no speed restrictions, contact tower 118.1,
Cockpit and tower 181, join dog, Edelweiss 901. Tower, guten Morgen, Edelweiss 901 established ILS 34.
Edelweiss 901, Tower, guten Morgen.
Yeah, looks like some oscillations here in the glide slope.
You're absolutely right.
Okay, geared on.
Speed checked, ski down.
So, flaps 3.
Speed checked, flaps 3.
Manage speed.
Speed managed.
Flaps full.
Speed checked, flaps full.
Landing check.
Landing all green.
Autopilot comes off.
Checked.
Auto thrust off.
Checked.
243, right Echo 3, apron 11855, right?
Echo 3, 11855, down fresh and Swiss 243.
Get target to talk with 550
Okay, stabilized.
10 miles out of 34.
Checked.
55 kilo, tower, go at the talk.
So the other one is leaving the runway.
Edelweiss 901, wind 340 degrees 3 knots, runway 34, cleared to land.
Get to land runway 34, Edelweiss 901. Clear to land, all set.
Roger. Correcting glide slope.
Yeah. Speed.
400. 300. 100 above. Minimum. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, retard. 5.
Spoilers. Reverse green.
And braking.
Decelerating. And for the next one. 70 knots.
Checked.
And my controls.
Your controls.
Edelweiss 901, apron 11855, please, no honor.
11855, Edelweiss 901.
So it's 55 kilos, 340 is vacating.
And after landing, whenever convenient.
Apron cleared, Edelweiss 901, heavy vacating runway 34, Echo 3.
Edelweiss 77 Delta, stand by and power 118.1.
Left side clear.
118.1, Edelweiss 77 Delta.
Apron cleared, Edelweiss 901, vacating runway 34, Echo 3.
Edelweiss 901, apron mark, Xeria 8, go hold short runway 28.
Echo hold short 28, Edelweiss 901.
Echo hold short to 8.
100 above. Minimum. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, retard. 5.
Spoilers.
Retard. 5.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Decelerating. And for the next one.
Minimum. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, retard. 5.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Decelerating. And for the next one.
After landing, checklist completed.
Checked.
Contact Tower 118.1 okay.
1181 at Edelweiss 901.
3. Swiss 55 kilo, contact apron 121.855, schönen Tag.
11855, schöne Swiss 55 kilo.
Tower hello again, Edelweiss 901 on Echo, hold short to 8.
Edelweiss 901, taxiway Echo, cross running to 8, contact apron 121.755, schönen Tag, mein Name.
On taxiway Echo, cross runway 28, 121.755, Edelweiss 901, gleich today.
Cross checked, clear on the left.
Edelweiss 77 Delta,
right side clear.
I think we don't do the 2 engine out because we just approaching our stand.
Okay.
If you agree.
APU is available anytime.
Quit. Also from the cooling time of the engines.
Airplane Fritz, Edelweiss 901 heavy, vacating runway 28 on Echo.
Edelweiss 901, Heavy, Grüezi, taxi via Echo and Mike, descend Bravo 38.
Echo Mike, Bravo 38, Edelweiss 901.
Echo Mike, Bravo 38.
11905 AD.
11905 AD, Swiss 95 Yankee.
Edelweiss 214, request taxi.
Edelweiss 214, hold position.
Hold position, Edelweiss 214.
So, joining mic. And Bravo 38 is on the left.
Yes, they are waiting for us.
Left side is all clear.
Edelweiss 214, clear of company, taxi Foxtrot inner and kilo, hold short runway 28.
A340.
Clear of company, taxi Foxtrot in a kilo, hold short 28, Edelweiss 214. Hotel Sierra Sierra, request taxi.
Hotel Sierra Sierra on Romeo 7, hold short runway 34.
Romeo 7 holding short 34, Hotel Sierra Sierra.
Okay, parking checklist completed.
Okay. Hey, merci vielmals.
Thank
Classic
you.
C, thank you. Tom,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you very much. Nice landing.